Hello, hello, hello. My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair. I get asked this question all the time. So I have freshly cleaned and blow dried hair and I'm just going to put some curls in it and I'll show you guys how I do that. As far as the texture of my hair goes, I have very thick hair. It's always been kind of dry, coarse. It's not curly, but I have a lot of kink to it and a lot of like frizz. And because I dye my hair a lot, and recently I did like a whole scalp bleach, my hair has taken a big toll. So what I'm trying to do to salvage my hair is just, I keep using really good products. So right now I'm dipping into L'Oreal Professional. These were sent to me and this is what I use today. So this is a blonde or a purple shampoo meant for blonde hair. It has really good coloring to it. So it's acai polyphenols, Blondifier, cool. So this has kept my hair color really nice and cool. So I shampooed twice because I had so much gunk in it. Then I used this hair mask. So this is acai polyphenol Blondifier nutritious mask or whatever. It's in French. Masque nutritif et illuminateur pour cheveux blonds. So what I did is I didn't use a conditioner, but I used this very generously. I put it all in my hair, shaved my legs, and then I rinsed it off, and it was really lovely. Like my hair feels a lot better for it. So that was the second thing I did. And then I left my hair in a towel just to like take all the water out. And then when it was kind of like half wet, I added this also from L'Oreal Professional. It's called Pro Keratin Liss Unlimited. So thermo cream soothing, up to 4 days soothing cream. It's a leave-in. I popped this in my hair all over and then I blow dried it. And here we are, present day, with puffy, clean hair. So this is the perfect kind of hair to pop some curls in. And it just like gives it a little bit more definition because I have like really like nappy ends. So if I can't, like, I usually get a professional blow dry and then my hair looks lovely, but I can't get it in that like direction or whatever, so I cheat. So the way I cheat is by using this amazing, this is a Babyliss, it's an oldie, but it's gone. There's nothing on it anymore. So, oh yeah, Babyliss Pro Nano Technology Titanium blah blah blah. Anyways, what I love about it is that it's 1 1/4 inch, so it's probably the biggest that you can get right now. I haven't seen anything bigger. I mean, I feel like you can get big ones, but those don't do anything. They don't actually curl. They're more like, they give like shape to your hair. So you can't go too big. But I have so much hair, so this does the trick very fast. And it also, like, I don't want like ringlets. This just like kinks the hair in the right direction. So this is the trick, guys. A lot of people are asking me like, oh, how do you curl your hair? How do you get that like curl in it? This is it. So what I've been doing, this is like my new signature look, is splitting my hair in the middle. And then you just go for it. So I always like to start in the front. So I have like long bangs, so I grab those. You want to make sure that the curl is going out. And also kind of stop here, then drag it and grab the other hair. But if you wrap the hair from the bottom up, the top won't curl the right way. So I'll show you in another piece of hair what I mean. Okay, so it's okay if it's like very curly because that'll come down. But this essentially is what gives you the nice curtain bangs. Okay, so grab another section. Again, get as low as you can. Do a little curl like that, like a half curl, and then grab the rest of the hair. And for me, that was like a game changer way of curling because I always felt like the top was flat and then the curl was at the bottom. And that's okay, that's a cute look too. But if you want more body at the top, which is what I always aim for, that's what you gotta do. So normal, back in the day, I used to go like that and leave the top at the, it's almost like there's too much hair on the barrel, and so it's not actually curling the top. So I'll show you what that looks like. See, like here, the curl starts up here, and here the curl starts like down there. So I'll probably go back in and fix it, but I wanted to sacrifice my hair for you. So same thing, start curling up higher and don't drag it to the bottom first. And then when you're done your whole hair, you can use like a light hairspray to kind of like set it in. I like the OSiS ones, they're awesome. And I'm not too picky at the bottom. It's more to give my hair some shape to it. I don't want it to be all like curly ringlets. Ooh, my hair feels really good. Oh, I'm so glad I did that hair mask. It was pretty brutal. I just like go willy-nilly at the bottom there. It's just really to keep it curly. And then, so when all those like ringlets are done, you just pass your finger through and then you get that like natural wave to it. Pretty, huh? Okay, let me do the other side. I always start in the front and then work my way back. And then I'll have to go in the bathroom and make sure the back looks okay. I do it with my medicine cabinet is like 2 mirrors, so I like prop them in a way where I can see the back of my head. Oh, we got a short bang problem here. That's okay, I'll just grab it and Has anyone here ever done a scalp bleach? This was the first, actually it's not the first time I did it. I used to do it, I used to like dye my hair with a box and it was just the lightest color I can find. But man, my hair was like so yellow. I could have used that, what is it, 9.5, 1.9. There's a toner that like makes your hair gray, which is what we had to do after I did my scalp bleach. Oh, now it's gonna bug me. So any hair predictions for 2019? I know that like the fluffy bangs are really hot, like what are they, like a shag bang, those are back in town. I can't really do that. I can't put extra texture in my hair because it's already like really big, and when it's frizzy, the best thing to do is just to have like longer layers. One thing I do love about having the scalp bleach is that it kind of dries out my scalp, which is good for me because I have like really oily scalp. And when I blow dry my hair, I can make it last 1 week. So this is like a workout for me to do my hair. Oh, I'm like getting comfy clothes. Okay, are we mentally prepared to do this? And I feel like that's why, like, you know, clean hair, working out, excuses. This is me. It's a real problem. And this is gonna sound so shallow, but when I have photo shoots and stuff booked, my hair has to look nice. So I always have to like, I'm like, can't work out because my hair has to be good, because if I work out, it's gonna get gross and da-da-da. I don't have time to like shower and redo my hair and blah, blah, blah. So anyways, these are real problems. I have never been that girl that could just like, you know, blow dry, just like shake your hair with a blow dryer and have like really nice smooth silky hair. My friend Julie, growing up, she always had like really nice smooth silky shiny hair, and she would just like psh, done. And then here I was like Afro kid. I wish I had the skills to like manage my hair like I do now. Oh, talk about like regrets of when you're a kid with your hair. I got this from my older sister, but she used to make me iron her hair like with an actual iron. She has like really nice curly hair, but she wore it like long and straight for a long time. And then I got into it. So I used to sun in my hair. This was in high school. Sun in and then iron. So talk about like crispy, crispy hair. So this is the first time I have like nice, healthy blonde hair. Okay, so essentially I'm just doing my whole head and popping in some extra curls. So when my hair is like straight and blow dried, this process doesn't actually take too long. Oh, and then yesterday I like burnt my hand on my curling iron. I almost dropped the curling iron and I caught it with my like wrist, and then sizzle sizzle for shizzle, sizzle sizzle. Yeah, so sometimes what I do, if I want more kind of curl at the top, I just do the top like that, like a little half turn, and then I stay, and it's almost like the kink starts up higher. You see that? And then I feel like I'm doing this blind, but okay, I'm gonna go get that hairspray. I forgot it. I'm gonna go check the curls in the back, make sure I didn't miss any sections, and I'll be back, my friends. I'm back. Okay, what a good hair day to record a video. Thank you. I noticed there was like a little section here that could use a little more love. And then I'm gonna take less bang here and fix it up. So if you have really thick hair and like a lot of it, this thing is very forgiving, but you get better results when you blow dry. Like if you have like nice properly blow dried hair, you'll get like really nice results. This tool is also really hot, which is good for like thick hair. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm happy I finally found like a look, like my hair look, you know? And that's all thanks to Hair Public. Not sponsored, but I'm actually a brand ambassador for a really awesome hair salon in Ottawa. And I get like 10% off for all my followers, and then they get like 20% off for all the spa services. So I get my nails done and pedi and facial, that sort of thing too. So it's been awesome. And I've just been able to have such lovely hair. So we went for something really bold. That's where the like scalp bleach came into play. And also I get to buy like all the products at a really great deal because I'm an ambassador there. So this is the most amazing hairspray ever. Nothing fancy. It's a Schwarzkopf OSiS Plus, and it comes in 3 phases or whatever. So the first one is elastic. So that'll just hold your hair, keep the bounce, and it doesn't get crispy. And then the third one is called Session. That's the one that'll like hold really, really strong. Just a little bit. Because I find if I have too much product in my hair, it actually comes down and like I lose that volume. And if you want more volume or more texture up here, I just bought this incredible spray. It's called Texturiza spray, dry finishing. It's from Unite. Hair Republic is a Unite salon. So you do a twist, and then, so instead of that like powder stuff, just kind of like lift. Whoops. A little bounce here. A little bounce there. And then I like the bounce in the back, or like the volume, I want it in the back because I have like a flat head. There you go. There you go. Ooh, I feel like Dolly Parton. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Okay. Oh, there you have it, friends. That's how I get my curls in my hair. It also helps to have a good hair day. Anyway, so this will last me about a week. Thank God, I don't have to do this all the time. But anyways, hope you guys liked this video. It was fun for me because I'm going out tonight, so it's like hair is did. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you have any other recommendations for good products for someone like me who has thick hair, dry hair, coarse hair, frizzy hair, dry damage, blonde hair. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the big circle here. And then in the little boxes here, you can watch more videos. So have a good day, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!